Okay, honey, remember it's a surprise. She doesn't know about this. So, like, we have to make this one of her best surprise birthday parties ever. Okay, Gun, you make the cake while I'll do the decorations, okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna make her favorite. Let's actually get 3 chocolate. One her favorite and 2 strawberry cakes. Yeah. Okay, some heart balloons here, a little bit here. Oh, this will also good look good. Okay, balloons are done. These, okay, I'm going to keep that one there. Okay, I'll take some no need of that. Yes. No, I don't need any of that. I need a little bit of these. Yes, there. And this one up there. Yes. Good. Now one down here. One over here. Another one right here. Blue one. Okay, so. Okay, one there, one here. No, yeah, let's keep it here. Okay, what else? Oh, some party poppers will be really nice. Some of that. Oh, we're gonna buy this one for her. Yeah, this one she's gonna love. Like literally love it. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly take this and go to the gift shop to wrap it up. Okay, we have to wrap. There it is. The wrapping shop. So I'm gonna keep it on here. There we go. Got my wrapper. Just wrap my from the doctor. Okay. So, while my honey is doing that amazing cake she makes, like so good. Okay, so look at all of the gifts that we bought for her. So we can just move this onto the aside and keep that one right there. Good. So now I can I still gotta decorate. Honey, I'm done with the cakes. Okay, hon. Oh my. Okay, so wait. I just what the flip? What is that plant doing there? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take that and take it out because I do not need it. No. Okay, so let's keep the decoration going on. Okay, so let me see. Yeah, that's all we need. And the room is all decorated as well. So we're done with the decorations. And it's almost time to call our daughter for her surprise. Are you so happy, hon? Yeah, pretty much happy. You don't look excited. That's because I'm really happy. Okay. So let's keep the Okay, I'm just gonna keep it on the sofa. Yeah, that's enough. Oh my God, she's gonna love the decoration that we did. Yeah, it took us so much love and time. Okay, so oh shit. I think it's time for us to call our daughter. Do you think that as well, hon? I don't think so. She comes at 6. Not 6, exactly 1 or... She comes at 3. Oh yeah. Okay, that much time I'm gonna make her favorite cake. Oh, there we go. Her favorite. Okay. So 2 there in the middle, she's gonna have that. So I'm gonna take the 6 candle, yeah, because she's turning 6. She was 5, now she's turning 6. Actually, no. Where is it? Honey, I think. Oh no, I think the wax of the candle is gonna do that, so we don't need it. Yeah, sure, we don't need it. Alrighty. So now we don't need these anymore. So. Okay. So what now? Well, we did decorate everything. We did everything. So I guess we just gotta wait. Yeah. It's taking more longer than usual, don't you think? Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so now I don't think we need the candles anymore, so I'm just gonna throw it out. Yeah. So everything's done. Let me just close the fridge there. Everything's done, I guess. Yay! I like my own dress. So I gotta take the candy out and put it down there. Yeah. Let's keep it down there. Okay, let's keep it there only. Okay, now we gotta take the gift box as well and keep them both down. Yeah. Let's keep them both down. Okay, so now let's see. I think it's about time that we gotta call our daughter. Yeah, I also think so. Yeah, let's go and call our daughter. Yeah, let's go. I wanna go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so time for us to go to the school. Okay, so let's go inside and take our daughter. Okay, time to take our daughter. Honey, we're back from work. Mommy, Daddy, you're back. How was school, sweetheart? It was great. Did you have fun? Yeah. She was a pleasant daughter. She was a pleasant student. Thanks. Bye. Okay, so time to go home. Okay, so now, honey, when we go home, I'm gonna ask you to close your eyes, okay? Okay, mommy, I'll close my eyes. Good girl. So, come on, let's go. So, hun, yeah? Close your eyes right now. Can you please close your eyes? Okay, mommy, I'll close my eyes. Good girl. I'm gonna make you sit on the sofa. There's a huge surprise coming up for you. Ooh, what kind of surprise? Shh, it's a secret. Okay, I'm gonna keep her lunchbox and backpack. Okay, now we're ready to surprise her. Okay, Han, I'm gonna make you sit down there. Now you can open your eyes in 3, 2, 1. Open! Oh my god, Mommy! That's so cool! Yay! I love it. It's so nice. Wait, it's my birthday? Yeah, you forgot. Oh my god, I love you, Mommy and Daddy. And my favorite cake as well. I love you too. I love you too, hon. Okay, so now let's enjoy. Here, you can have your cake. That I'll just take one of the other one. You can have your favorite cake, hon. Thanks, mommy. Thanks, daddy. You're welcome. Here, hold this. Woo! Yeah. Oh, actually, not that one. This one. Okay. Look at this. It's so nice, right? It's so cool. I like it. Do you love your birthday surprise, huh? Yeah, I love it. And I even hid a stack of. Literally, I wanted to give you this candy. My favorite candy. Okay, hon. Now I have to give you. Now it's your gift time. We got so many from your grandparents and ancestors. Not ancestors, aunts and uncles. Or like your cousin, nephews. Everyone gave you a gift. Yay! I'm gonna love this gift for sure. Plus, did you guys give me a gift? Hon, we'd never forget your birthday. Okay. Okay, mommy. Okay, daddy. I just hope it's a wonderful gift. It's lovely. Okay? So, keep that back, hon. I just can't. Here, I'll put it down. Okay. Okay, sure. Mommy, can I get it? I want to get some more fish. Okay, hon. Yay, that's time to open our gifts. First, it's from me and your mother. Wow, it's so cool. I love it. I'm going to put it right next to my bed. Next set. Ooh, some clothes and headphones. I like it. Ooh, I can keep this near my bottle. Ooh, another burger bag. Ooh, a ring. So nice. It looks so nice right now. Honey, that's not for you. Your father actually bought it for our Valentine's. Wait, your Valentine's Day, your anniversary is on my birthday? Yay! Okay. So now, oh, look at this bouquet. This bouquet is so nice. Thank you, hon. You're welcome. I'm just happy that the child doesn't like it. Yeah, the bouquet is so pretty. Oh my god. I just think that's good. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this in like another jar. So let me just get the jar. Yeah, I'm gonna get the jar. Okay, so there it is. I found my jar, so I'm gonna keep it up here because you are my bouquet. No, thanks, mommy. Keep this aside, okay? Okay. Now next is a Karami hat. How's it? It's nice. And the sunshine bag. Ooh. Okay, honey, here's the last gift. Oh, daddy, looks, it matches the sunshine bag. It's so nice. Okay, guys, if you like our video, please subscribe and comment down.